Liverpool, one of Britain's first multi-faith migrant hubs, attracting Muslims from around the globe. It was here in 1856 that William Henry Quilliam was born. In 1887, after a short trip to Morocco, Quilliam announced his conversion to Islam upon his return to Liverpool.
Abdullah Quilliam was very essential in introducing Islam to Britain. In fact, you could say that without his efforts, Islam would not have been introduced to this country until much later in time.
As the numbers of Muslim converts in Victorian Liverpool increased, so too did the need for a space that would allow them to practice their faith freely. And so Britain's first mosque was born. Quilliam was able to obtain 8-13 Brougham Terrace to create the ultimate mosque complex.
His vision for this building was limitless. He wanted to create a complex that, like Islam, was for all people and for all time.
Quilliam, the Sheikh of British Isles, eventually left England after facing endless hostility and persecution. His cherished mosque fell into disrepair and was eventually abandoned.
We got the building in 2007, and by that time the building had been vacant for 7 years. It was vandalized. Lots of sections of the roof were missing.
Since then, the Abdullah Quilliam Society, with the help of the global Muslim community, have been working tirelessly to restore this complex to its former glory.
The other things that we're working on at the moment, the original fireplaces, we're trying to restore those. Some have been sort of preserved. You will see the original arches, the original crescents designed by Quilliam and his architect specifically for this mosque. Our next phase of work is to make this a visitor centre. This will become the very first ever British Muslim Victorian mosque, where you will experience at first hand how Victorian Muslims lived, and this is a very unique project of its kind.
Brothers and sisters, here in Liverpool, we're trying to restore Britain's first mosque. Abdullah William Quilliam was one of the earliest converts to Islam, and he established this mosque more than 100 years ago. It's been dilapidated, left to ruins. We are on target to completing this project and restoring Britain's only Victorian Islamic experience. We have also the opportunity to buy the next door building. To complete the modern and the old Islamic experience, we need to raise more than £2 million. Would you like to be one of those founding donors helping us to complete our project? Please donate generously using our website address below.